are an American family of 7, living, working, and loving Brazil. Welcome to the adventures of our Brazilian life. Boa noite! Merry Christmas! We are taking the kids to a big surprise right now. It has to do with Christmas. And we were stuck in traffic and playing games, and some of us were happy, and some of us weren't, Thiago. So, let's go see what it is. We're at Campo Grande! This is the coolest park, full of the most beautiful Christmas lights I have ever seen. like about tonight?
The Tunnel of Lights was amazing.
I know, wasn't that beautiful? It was magical. There was snow. Oh, snow in the snow. What did you like?
I like the Hall of Lights.
The Hall of Lights?
Ow!
I also liked the big Christmas tree.
Yeah, that was beautiful. They also had good food.
I like the cheese and the fountain.
Of course you
Cheese
did.
and the fountains. Right on. Cams, what did you like?
Did you like the water?
Yeah.
The fountains?
Yes.
Lacey, what did you like about tonight?
The food.
The food. I think there's millions and millions of lights here, and it's so pretty. We're still getting sprayed by water. All right. Good night. Merry Christmas.